In this video, we are going to make a single strand bracelet, meaning a bracelet that has been made using one string where beads have been arranged in a line around the wrist. So the bracelet is simply a jewelry that is worn on our wrist. That is what we call a bracelet. So you will need a string, scissors, or what we call pliers, and we'll cut the string into the size of our wrist, but at least you need to leave some allowance so that you can be able to make a knot. So you can as well see we are using one string whereby we are pushing the beads through the string all the way, and here I was trying to follow a certain type of pattern so that I can create a lovely bracelet. You can as well maybe using the beads that you're using kama hiyo yenye iko kwa mkono, you can see there is one big bead where you break the monotony ama for purpose of decoration or enhancing that bracelet. So you can as well break the monotony. After you have strung your beads onto the string, you need to kujaribu kuvaa kama iko sawa. You try putting it on to see if it is okay, if it fits your wrist. If it doesn't fit, you can adjust by either adding an extra bead or by removing the excess beads. So then when I was done, I had to make a knot. You can make any type of knot. You can see I'm making a stretchable string. So in case you do not have a stretchable string, you can just make your simple knot. In this case, I'm doing what is called the overhand macrame knot, where I'm putting through the end of the excess part of the string through the circle. And as you can see, that is my bracelet in one string. Then I've made a knot, and with making the knot, you can see there is excess string. So using my pliers or scissors, I will cut the excess threads, and you can see it's okay, it's lovely, but you can see kuna hizo part za hapo penye tumekata zimebaki zimehang. So one way I would advise is you can, if the bead iko na hole kubwa, you can pull through that knot ingie kwa one of the bead that is next to it, so that tutakosa kuona kama kuna end of that bracelet, or to hide the ugly part of the bracelet, because ukiwa na mauziuzi zikiwa zimehang, it doesn't make our bracelet look nice, it doesn't look lovely, it's inakanga as if iko unfinished. And after making our bracelet, it was ready for wearing. You can see it is not too tight and it is not too loose. So that is what we call a single strand bracelet, which we wear it around our wrist. And after doing this, I'm going to show you on how you do the finishing or the presentation of our bracelet, which is a 3D art. And I will cut a hard piece of paper kama ka carton hivi, aka plain carton. You can see it is not dirty. And in another way, you can also cut a piece of manila paper, and then haitakuwa kubwa sana. Then I'll pull, I'll stretch my piece of bracelet hivo for presentation, because hata ukinunua bracelet or something, there is the packaging. You can see hapo penye na kuonyesha hapo, that's the labeling part, and then that wire at the top there, you can either write a bracelet or the name of the brand or your name to give your name, yourself a company. And so that is how you can present your bracelet and have your label just where I've been showing you using my fingers. And that's how you would present, because you need to present your work in a nice manner and in a lovely manner. Just as you go to buy something, you will always find it packed well. And that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Ensure that you make a beautiful bracelet, and please remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more on some of the activities that we are supposed to do in our class for art lesson.